Hi everyone, my name is Nate Taylor, and welcome to my course, JavaScript REST APIs, The Big Picture. I'm a solution architect at Avature in Omaha, Nebraska. JavaScript is one of the most popular technologies on the web, and REST is one of the most popular architectural paradigms on the web as well. Learning these two will equip you to solve a variety of different problems. This course is a quick introduction to REST, as well as how JavaScript can leverage a REST API when creating new applications. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the REST design principles, accessing an API via a JavaScript client, and creating an API via Node.js. By the end of this course, you'll know if building a REST API is the right choice for your application. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic JavaScript syntax and principles. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into JavaScript and REST APIs with courses on JavaScript REST APIs getting started, building CRUD actions in a JavaScript REST API, and caching JavaScript REST APIs with local storage. This and other courses all exist in the Working with REST APIs in JavaScript path. I hope you'll join me on the journey to learn how JavaScript and REST work together with the JavaScript REST APIs, the Big Picture course, here at Pluralsight.